Hello, are we live? Okay, as you guys know, I always take a couple of minutes. I wait for everybody to come and then I start talking. Because who am I talking to otherwise? Till then, I will have my water. Oh, lots of people are here already. Hi, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. My hair is looking very, very bad. Please excuse me on that. Hi, guys. It is so nice to be here again. I did sort of my first live session a few days ago, and it was great fun talking to everybody. Right from my house, I felt like, I had done an event or something, meeting so many people. So, obviously, me partnering with my family at Sugar Free, we decided to do one more session today, and we'll probably do one more in a few days where we'd like to come and talk to you about how you're keeping yourself fit and healthy during this quarantine, because as you know, all of us can get really lazy. As you can see, I'm in my bed with my cushion because I'm lazy too. But whatever we can do to be as fit and healthy as possible, we will do. And today we're here, we'll have a quick chat about the small steps and some big steps that you can take and be happy. Okay, as usual, everybody started asking me about my house. So guys, I'm really I want to be slightly private with my home pictures. I don't like to share too much. I've only done one photo shoot in my life of my old house, and the new house that I live in, I've not shared much, but I can show you the view. There you go. Okay, it's starting to get dark, so the view is going, but I am here with lots of cushions. But let's get started. So it's very simple. I'm going to start by answering some of your questions. For those who've for those who've tuned in now, I am safe in my house, social distancing and self-isolating, of course. I am alone because I live alone, and my staff has left because I would like them also to be safe in their homes. So it's just me. So I spend most of my day cleaning my house, cooking this much. I'm not a very good cook, but whatever little I can cook, I try and cook as much as I can, fresh home food. My friends have been sending me a lot of food because they know my cooking skills are not that great. And they've been sending me a lot of food. So thank you to them. You guys know who you are. Thank you for that. And come on, let's start answering some questions. So, Shron, I see a question from you. Why only sugar? Why are you so particular about sugar? It's just a little bit daily. That's a very good question. It's true. We use only maybe a spoon or 2 spoons, 3 spoons a day of sugar. But the problem is that it piles up, and it's empty calories. Sugar gives you no sort of real nutrition. It's just empty calories. And if you're trying to be fit and you're trying to keep down the weight, or even if you're trying to just remain as healthy as you can, sugar is the first and the easiest thing that you can remove out of your routine, out of your diet. Sorry. So that's what I did. I just realized that sugar is just something that I can live without, and it's just something that makes no difference if you just switch your normal sugar, normal white or brown sugar, to sugar-free or sugar-free green, because sugar-free green is made of a plant. It's made of methi, and it's really, really healthy. And at the same time, it tastes absolutely the same. So why not? If I want to eat that brownie, or if I want to have that cup of tea or coffee in the morning, and I am going to put the sugar, then why put normal sugar? Why not use something healthier like sugar-free? So I just thought that was the easiest, smallest fix. And people don't realize that even if you eat a fruit or you eat certain vegetables, there is natural sugar in it. So if you are going to eat those foods with the sugar in it, then why not eliminate the ones which has this extra sugar in it? So that was step one, and I just realized it made a whole lot of difference. You know, too much sugar can make you lethargic. It can give you so many health issues. It can put on the weight. So it's really just the easiest thing to eliminate from your diet. That is why sugar. Sorry for the very long answer. You are alone and I'm also alone. Let's make dual fun, Pari. First, I'll try and translate this question. I have not understood it very well, but okay, let's make dual fun. Hi, Pari, you're so cute. Thank you so much. You always look so beautiful. How sweet. Thank you so much, guys. I really like coming to these live sessions just because you guys make me feel so good about myself. So, thank you. Namaste Pari ma'am, Amit Kumar कह रहे हैं, what is the hidden secret about your glowing skin? Hi Amit, thank you so much. Actually, touch wood, I have been blessed with really good skin from my mom and my dad. They also have great skin actually. And even growing up, I didn't have any like acne or pimple. I had really fresh skin. And even right now, I know it looks like I've put foundation or something, but actually I've put nothing. If you can see. Okay, that was a very scary close-up. But guys, I didn't put anything. But I did want to put some kajal and then I put some lip balm just so that it looked brighter. But it's also because of the lights in my house. The lights make my skin look really good. So see, I'm a very honest person. I will never lie to you. So it's the lights and also I drink lots of water. And I sleep a lot. And I also don't use too many products on my skin. For many years, I've just like wash my face and I put like one moisturizer and I leave it. I don't do like, I know a lot of girls and boys do like toning and moisturizing and exfoliating and facials. They do a variety of things which works great for them. But for me, I feel like just washing my face every single day and just putting moisturizer, that's what works the best. Okay, you are my forever crush. Thank you so much. You are also my forever crush. Forever and ever. Can you make any song during lockdown? Prafulla Deshmukh is saying. Yeah, actually I've been thinking about this and a lot of people have messaged me and they want to do things with me and they want to do some music stuff. So I've started thinking about it now. Initially I thought that the lockdown would not be this long. So I kind of took it easy, but now that I feel that, you know, so many extensions are happening, now I have more time. So I'm definitely going to do something. Supriya Pandey, thank you so much. Supriya Pandey just said, stop playing with your hair so much. It's very distracting. So thank you for that tip. I'll just touch it one last time, Supriya. And I promise I will not touch it now. Okay, stop me if I touch with my hair again, guys. I swear I will not play with my hair now. You want my love will never change. Prateek Singh is saying, Pariniti, you can eat as much sugar as you want and I will never love you less. Thanks. But I have removed my sugar intake. So, Chintan Jain is saying, are you learning something new during the quarantine except cooking and puzzling? So a lot of people know that I have been doing a lot of puzzles and a lot of codes. I have many code books. Actually, in my next live session, I will show you what I'm up to. I will show you some of the big puzzles. There's a 2,000 piece and a 3,000 piece jigsaw puzzle that I've been doing. So that is really helpful in passing the time. I've also, oops, I will not touch my hair. And I've been doing a lot of code books. And other than that, you know, honestly, just like 3 or 4 days ago, I really thought I should begin to learn how to cook. Because a lot of my friends are really good cooks and they are effortless in the kitchen. And I really want to imbibe that. So I'm going to start learning a little bit. I'm going to start like video calling them and taking some tips. And then maybe I should try to learn how to cook, which I don't know how to do. Jibin Joseph just said, your eyes are looking very different today. Are you wearing contact lenses? No, I am not. These are my original akhiyan. No, Jibin, you are wrong. Uh, Who gave you the idea to go live? It's a good idea. Thank you so much. I actually have to give all the credit to my sugar-free family. They are the ones who came up with this idea. I actually thought I might not be very good at it and I was nervous about coming live, but they really encouraged me because we do want to spread this really, really important messaging about how to keep yourself fit and fine and eliminating sugar from your diet. So I really thought that made a lot of sense and I really wanted to come and talk to you guys about. So thank you, sugar-free family. Okay. Now, what is the next question? Okay, some of the questions. Okay, another question that has come in is: can you? Why only eliminate sugar for your own diet? Why not for your entire family? Not for my own diet, for my entire family, for everybody in the house. I live alone in Bombay, but even back home in Ambala, I have told everybody, instructed everybody to use sugar free because it's not only for me; it's for every single one of you out there. Sugar is something that is invisible in our food and we don't think about how much we put. So just replace it with a sugar-free green product because it will taste the same and it will not give you the calories that original sugar gives. So it is a very, very easy fix, guys. I know all of us spend so much time in the gym or working out, just trying to drop that weight. And we have such an easy solution here. So why not just use it, especially when now all of us are not able to go to gyms and we're not able to work out as much as we normally do. This is a great solution. Vishwapatni, I have answered this question already. It's a good question, but sorry, I've missed out on so many comments. I'm just trying to read all the comments. Very good. Atul Jha is saying, what are the upcoming projects? So, as you know, guys, we were going to release a film called Sandeep or Pinky Farrar in March, but of course the lockdown started. Then in May now, there was going to be Girl on the Train, which again has also gotten delayed. So we are going to wait for cinemas to open up, life to get back to normal, because of course the health of the audience is very, very important for all of us. So obviously we will not release a film at this time. So the moment everything opens up, the lockdown opens up, that's when we will even think of releasing our films. Okay, what is the next question? Question. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं. Oh, I'm getting scolded again for touching my hair. Sorry, guys. I will not touch my hair. I can't help it because... So I'm looking at myself and your comments. So I keep looking at my hair and I don't like it and then I keep shifting it. So it's very difficult, guys. How do I not do it? Pari, chubby, who will be your hubby? Even I don't know. Please find somebody for me. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू हो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. My dad has done the landscaping at your home in Ambala. Is it true? Wow. Thank you so much, Rupinder, if that is true. So, my family, everybody knows, my family lives in Ambala. I have a lovely home there. And it is surrounded by a lot of plants and trees. So, it's very important. That's why even in my own home, I've kept a lot of plants in my balcony. And nowadays, because I'm alone, watering them is a big task. But... Okay, what is the next question about diet and fitness? Thank you so much, guys. Aditya Gupta, how would the film industry be affected by the lockdown and COVID? Of course, like every other industry, the film industry is affected as well. Um, our livelihood is making films and, releasing them in cinemas, which are all shut now. And all of you guys who are our audience are, at home like all of us. So obviously everything is affected. Everything has come to a standstill. But I guess that's life. These things happen, and we're just dealing with it the best way that we can. And I'm sure we're going to come out of this stronger and we'll all be fine. Meanwhile, while we are at home, we are trying to help the underprivileged as much as we can. And whatever we can do, we're doing for them. So, yeah, doing our best. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. I wish you guys could see me at home. I just sing all day and I'm humming all day. Thank you so much. Skincare routine. After I finish this live, you can just rewind the video because I spoke about a little bit about what I do for my skin. Thank you so much, Alam, Honey, Dev Krishna Chelani, Zeba. Zeba, Ramadan Mubarak, aapko bhi. I hope you guys are doing well. Prakasha, Sandeep that's saying, Madam, why are you not writing a script? I will be very bad at it. Lavanya, hi Lavanya. Chanchal, Zainasib song is my all-time favorite. Mine too. I love Zainasib. Sahil Shetty, love and wishes from Melbourne. I'm from Mumbai but currently studying in Australia. Sahil, be safe. I love Melbourne and Sydney. I was brand ambassador for Tourism Australia, still am, and I love Australia. Waiting for Girl on the Train. Me too! I've worked really hard for Girl on the Train and it's one of my most difficult roles to date. So I hope it comes out soon. Which book are you reading? It's lying there, but I can't show you my house. Okay. Hi, Pari. What happened to your voice? Today your voice is different. Really? Ravindra is saying my voice is different, but it's feeling the same. Okay. I'm trying to read all the questions, guys. I don't want to miss any questions. Lots of love from Assam. I love you, Pari. I love you guys. Are you working with Amal anytime? Of course, I'm working with Amal. He's doing the background score and the songs for Saina. And he's working on it he's working very hard on it and he's doing a great job. So I'm excited. Amal is my friend for many, many years, even before I had become an actress. So I have a very special bond with him. Okay, another question that comes up a lot is... Javed Ansari is saying, I'm not listening to you, I'm just seeing you. I'm okay with that. But please send in your questions if you have any questions. Oh, my reflection is there. Okay. So another question that comes a lot, people say that we like the taste of original sugar and we do not like the taste, but that is not true. Sugar-free can be used as an easy replacement and in the exact same amount. So for example, if you take 2 spoons of sugar in your coffee, you can just measure it and take 2 spoons of sugar-free green in your coffee and it will taste the same. And it will just not give you any calories. So it's a win-win. I can see people are here. How's it working with Siddharth? I love working with Sid and Arjun also. They're amazing boys and they're all my friends. So I love shooting with them. It's so easy shooting with them and it's so much fun. I've made some of my best films with them. So yeah, I love it. What is your favorite holiday destination? So I love to scuba dive. Everybody knows that. I love to scuba dive. So anywhere there is ocean, I love to go, whether it's Australia and the Great Barrier Reef, or it's Maldives, or it's Micronesia, which is Palau, or in the Mediterranean, like everywhere. I've been to so many destinations because of my scuba diving passion, and so islands are my preferred choice when I go. Have you been offered with a movie with Diljit? Suresh Arora is saying no, not yet, but actually there was something a few years ago, but okay, we'll not talk about that. But yeah, I would love to work with him because he's a Punjabi like me and he's hilarious, and I would love to work with him. And he's been doing some great cooking classes I've been seeing on his Instagram, and it's been hilarious. So he should continue cooking, and love to see him. Thank you so much, Anubha, Natasha, Ankit, Amit, Swaro. Abhishek, what's your daily schedule to keep a healthy lifestyle? Right now, my fix is to just be at home and do a lot of housework, because that really keeps me, I think, fit for now, because there's so much of housework, so much of cleaning to be done all alone. My entire house, when you have to clean it and when you have to maintain it. I'm also a cleanliness freak, so I have to clean it the way I want to. So yeah, it takes a lot of cardio to finish all of that. Okay, a couple of minutes more and then I have to go. I'm still waiting for some more questions about fitness and sugar replacement, because that's what I'm here for. Till then, I will take some other questions. The girl in the train has a background in India or outside? Swapnil is saying. Swapnil, we shot the film in London and it is based in London, even in the story. So yeah, it's based abroad, not India. Debajyoti Banerjee is saying, what's your favorite pastime activity while at home? I'm doing a lot of things actually. I do all the housework, which takes most of my time. Then I've been catching up on all the shows. Then I have been puzzling a lot. You know that I do a lot of jigsaw puzzles. I've been doing codes. I've been doing so many things that's just keeping me busy. Video chatting with my friends and family keeps me busy also, because I haven't gotten time to do that a lot. So that's what I do. Meera Shiraz is saying, during the filming of Namaste England, did you enjoy Paris? Paris, yes, I absolutely love Paris. I've gone to Paris so many times and I absolutely love it because of the food. And I've usually been in the summer, but during Namaste we had gone slightly when winter was starting, so it was really cold, but it was lovely. Choyan Acharji says, I feel regret now you don't care about your Bangladeshi fan. Who said? I love you guys. Nikita Pandey, please tell us about your weight loss journey and how to work on the double chin. How cute. Okay, so weight loss journey actually is very simple, yeah. For anybody, you guys, it's just, this is something that Anil Kapoor taught me. Input, output. So whatever goes inside the body should come out, which means you should burn it out. So that is just the way. If you're not able to do output, then your input should be less. And if there's a lot of input, then you need to do more output. So on the days that I really work out a lot, then I can be a little more relaxed with my food. But on the days that I'm not working out too much, then on those days my input has to be lesser. So I take care of my diet a lot. Arisa Kanpur is saying, how do you control yourself not to eat sweets? I don't control it. I eat whatever I want, but I make sure that I have sugar-free desserts. And I've been trying to make desserts at home and trying to cook a little bit at home. And they're all done with sugar-free for that reason, so that I don't end up eating too much sugar. Taiba is asking, when was the last time you have not gone out of the home for almost a week? I have not gone outside my house for the past 5 weeks now, almost 5 weeks. So actually this has been the longest time I've been home. Oops, did I miss you guys? No. The fact that I know that this is for a reason. This is for us to all be safe and for us to, save ourselves from coronavirus. Keeps me sane. All right, last question. Ambika, how can I not notice you? Of course I noticed you. Hi, Ambika. All right. So the final question and the final reminder is that, guys, please be safe. A lot of people are complaining about this lockdown and not really thinking that this is very important for us. This is for our own safety and our family safety. We are doing this because we need to defeat coronavirus together. We need to make sure that whenever we come out of this lockdown, coronavirus has reduced in the world and we can live our life normally again. So please listen to our government. Listen to all the officials that are giving you the guidelines. Follow those guidelines, because if we stay home and stay fit, we will defeat this virus together and then we can go back to normal life as soon as possible. Thank you for coming, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys soon again in a few days. And I will chat with you from some new corner of my house. Till then, bye, guys. Stay home, stay fit.